of a lot of places in North America, but there are lots of places, including where we both are here in England, that definitely don't use numbers. There's a lot of very interesting street names here.
Where did you find that? Where did you?
No, a customer brought.
Customer bought it in?
Yes. Even radio. Oh, some stereo, some radio.
Where did he find that?
Excuse me?
Where did he find that?
Well, in storage.
In storage?
Yeah, for few decades. This is like a 1960s model.
And what was wrong with it?
All corroded, all not working.
Not work, corroded?
Yeah, completely. Like a piece of garbage, but that is working.
So you fixed it for him?
Yes. Yeah. For them it was a sentimental repair.
And how much that cost?
For this, just 65. This isn't fair because I spent couple days and plus parts, new antenna, because original was missing.
How much you charge again?
65.
65 bucks.
But much time. I cannot charge much, like hourly, because this ridiculous. So, but just reasonable.
And you fixed my camera, and then you fix you could fix anything you.
No, nobody can fix anything, but
But you're good at it.
but something can.
What's your website? What's your Facebook?
Facebook, Fredericton Camera. That's the name, Fredericton Camera.
FrederictonCamera.ca?
Facebook has no extension, just Fredericton Camera, Facebook.
Fredericton Camera on Facebook.
Yes.
And you'll be right there. And you're ready to take any challenge.